Good morning, class. Hope and pray you all are safe and healthy. Students, today we will do chapter number 32, Email Writing. Class, you all know that what is email? Email is one of the modern modes of communication. With the help of internet, we can convey our message to the required persons with the help of email. Today, we will learn the format of email writing. Friends, please listen carefully. The format which is given in your book that is now changed, so please follow the format which I am going to tell you now. Email is written in a box, means to say we need to draw one box for writing email. After drawing box, leave space and write down email ID of the receiver, means to whom we are writing. Write down email ID of that person. As here in your book, first example is given. You are the manager of customer services of a broadband agency. Write an email of apology to a customer for the delay in providing internet connection. Now let's see with the help of this example that how we will write email. Firstly, receiver's email ID. As here it is written Amit at the rate of yahoo.com. Writing email ID, leave space, leave one line blank, and then we need to write down subject. Students, remember for writing subject, no need to give heading subject, means SUBJECT. This is not required. Directly write down what you want to convey. As for this example, delay in providing internet connection. After writing subject, again leave space, leave one line blank, and then salutation. Dear sir, comma, it can be dear madam, comma. Remember, no abbreviations, no short forms, no contractions. Write down madam, MADAM. Don't write down MAM. And comma is must after salutation. You have to write down content, body of the email writing. Its opening and ending sentence, means first and last sentence of the body carries half mark each. So write down carefully and divide your this content body of the email in 3-4 small paragraphs. Friends, remember that don't begin any sentence with because, but, etc. So, accordingly, do some necessary changes. And in the body, write down all the necessary things which are required according to the given topic. As here, we will write down the reason for delay in the connection, then we will feel sorry, and we will give some extra benefit to the customer because of delay. So all these things we need to write down in body. Read this subject matter carefully. Here, writing body, write down thanking you, comma, T capital in thanking and Y small in you, and afterwards comma. Again leave space and write down yours faithfully, Y capital in yours, F small in faithfully, and comma. Then your full name, as here Rakesh Mohan. Afterwards, space and your designation. Manager, high tech broadband agency. Students, carefully follow the steps of format and write down email according to the given topic. And once again, please listen carefully. Box is must. Without drawing a box, your email will not be checked. So take care. Students, do exercise of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.